Hey, this is Jeroen, founder of CompleteAITraining.com. Here's a quick walkthrough of the platform. You can use the search bar or the menu to easily find your job. For example, if you're a communications manager, just type it into the search bar and you'll be directed to your dedicated job page. Here, you'll find the latest prompt courses, all the relevant video courses, and links to the best AI tools, books, and certification programs, all specifically selected for your role. If you're interested in getting certified, it's just as easy. In the menu, you'll find the full overview of all available certifications. Simply click on a certification that's relevant for you, and we'll guide you straight to the related courses you need to complete it. Once you've earned your certifications, you can find them anytime under My Certifications in your account menu. From there, you can easily link them to your LinkedIn profile and show the world that you're an AI expert in your field. But that's not all. Complete AI also gives you access to over 2,500 AI tools, each one reviewed, categorized, and ready to help you get better results faster. And don't forget to check out the AI books and custom GPT sections to learn more and find customized GPT assistants relevant for you. That's a quick walkthrough to get you started. Feel free to scroll around, explore, and dive deeper into what's possible. And if you ever have any questions, we're just one message away. Now, you'll always stay up to date on AI, and you'll keep building your resume and LinkedIn profile with new certifications. We frequently update the courses, certifications, prompts, tools, you name it, so you're always ahead without having to chase down information yourself. So dive in, pick a course that excites you, and start applying what you learned today. You're not just keeping up with AI, you're leading with it. Welcome to Complete AI.